Hey there, Viv, look what I got.
Oh my gosh, what is inside?
It is the new S&S kit that we collaborated with to create a zones of regulation station kit. So you want to come check out and see what we got here?
Yes.
Um, and by the way, I'm Leah Kuipers. I'm the creator and founder of the zones, and this is my daughter.
Vivian?
And she is in middle school, and she's going to help me unbox this. So, first of all, we have a guide about how to use your new regulations kit and how it works in conjunction with our zones of regulation digital curriculum. The kit also includes a sign for the regulation station.
This kit also comes with noise canceling headphones for kids to either help focus or maybe just to help them think a little better. And it comes with two of them.
Yeah. And we have lots of different varieties of tools in here because as an occupational therapist, I know it's so important that we help learners have movement opportunities. We want to give them sensory supports as well as mindfulness options. So, what do you have there, Viv?
These are jumbo dice, and one of them has exercising activities like jumping jacks, push ups. So then you would roll this one, and then you would roll the other dice, and then it tells you how many to do. For example, I roll push ups and I roll four, then I would have to do four push ups.
What zone would that tool help you on?
Either maybe the yellow zone to help get out some energy.
Okay, so we have to help you with that these tool boxes so we can sort the tools into ideas to support each of the four zones.
In the yellow box, we have the stretchy banana toy. And we also have a 2x2 Rubik's Cube that comes solved.
And these
Right.
tools don't have to go in the yellow zone box. It's just ideas. So your learners can categorize and have easy access to different tool options to help them regulate each of their zone. Uh, we also included in our regulation station kit a nameplate so that you can have learners customize what tools help them specifically in each zone, as well as an easy check in for them on their desk, helping with co regulation between you and your learners.
What comes in the red zone box, just an idea though, is this bandy ball, which has a bunch of cool strings that stretch, fun to play with. And also we have one of these water countdown things that you just flip over and you watch it move. And we also have some lab putty, which also is really fun to play with. I know I love playing with this.
Yeah. And what we encourage with the zones of regulation is that you and your learners explore a full wide variety of tools, which we made really easy for you with this regulation station kit. And then your learners are self reflecting on what tools are going to help them in each zone and giving them ways to customize that with a toolbox that they can put on their desk.
In the green zone box, it comes with this little water thing, and you flip it upside down and you watch the colors move down. Just
Yeah.
pretty cool.
And this can also be used as a weighted lap pad to give a little extra input while we're sitting. You want to try it?
Sure. And then also, it comes in the green zone box with this reversible color frisbee. So it's like a 2-in-1 thing.
I think I would like this. This would be a great tool for me to use when I'm listening to my teacher's instructions and have something to look at and fidget with while I'm
And
listening.
there's also some zones of regulation stickers in them.
Let's check those out. We got the regulation station pathway. This is the culmination of the learning that is taught in the Zones of Regulation digital curriculum. So we've included some stickers in this kit to really reinforce those core concepts and signature practices that the learners are engaging with in the digital curriculum. We have the zones check-in that could be used as a visual support. We have a zones meter with the energy levels and emotions. We have our reinforcing message, all the zones are okay. And we have just another fun emoji zone sticker. So part of this kit is really created to help reinforce the climate in your setting so that learners can have an experience in their space where they feel welcome, that they know regulation is okay. And we want that to be the norm and not the exception. So having easy to access tools and visual supports and all the adults on board really help reinforce that message that we're all working to regulate and we're trying to help make it easy and accessible for you.
And last but not least, in the green zone box is a 12-pack of like all the colors in marker.
Why don't you check out what's in the blue zone bin there? Because those markers have a purpose too.
And in the blue zone box, let me explain.
We have all these cool felt coloring uh, visuals. So they have a tactile feature to them and a mindfulness opportunity to think about coloring and just be really present in the moment with that activity. So for me, this is a good blue zone tool for me. It would help me be alert and listen while I'm learning. How about you?
Yeah, definitely.
So, thanks for unboxing this with Vivian and I, and we hope you check it out. We are excited about this partnership and making this project come to life. It's something we've been talking a lot about doing at the zones, and it's great to have our partner with S&S to do it with. So, take care and enjoy your regulation station kit.